Today is a house reset day. Couch is messy and the kitchen is also very messy, especially here. Our bathroom is already done. The cat litter is done. I vacuum. The floors are clean. Maybe this part can have more organization, but when I'm taking a shower, that's when I do it. This is the hardest part because this is my office, and right now it doesn't look like a disaster, but I swear it's a big disaster. And the whole reason I'm doing this video is because usually I like recording in my office on a desk and being comfortable, but I'm going to be spending most of my day cleaning and organizing the house, and maybe at the end of the day I won't have that much energy, and I'll explain this to you in a video with jars, and you'll understand why this happens. All right, so I just wanted to show the results of a very clean kitchen. This is like completely empty now. The counters are clean. This is done. No more dishes, and those gotta get dry and then be put away. And I'm so glad that I was able to get all of this done. And we have here the table also more clean, and I didn't get to do everything today, so I'll have to do the rest tomorrow, so I wouldn't show much around. I also worked a little bit on my office, and I made it as like peaceful as I can make it to look. It's better than what it was. So what I said about the jars is this. This is you, right? You woke up, you have a lot of energy today, and this is your home, this is your work that you have to do, and this is your aspirations or dreams, right? And let's say today, since I had to work on the house, my energy, most of it went here, right? Then I put a little bit on work, and then you want to put energy into your aspirations, your dreams, and the things that matter to you, and this is all you got. And so thankfully this is like the jar that I found, right? But look, there's not much that you had to put in it, and you didn't have enough energy. This is what it looks like. This is about how much you filled it. So you gotta be very smart of where you spend your energy, and also like how much energy it takes you to do certain things. To me, the house is like literally this much. It's a lot of energy that I have to put in it. And sometimes I can't finish it in one day. So I finish the kitchen and I feel great about it because it's like what gives me a lot of peace of mind sometimes. So this is what I mean with the jars and the energy that we spend in them and where it goes. But this is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you really like this video. If you like this type of content, I invite you to subscribe, and I would love to see you on my next video. Bye.